Komfortmobil VARIO. The Komfortmobil VARIO is a versatile luxury motorhome designed to combine mobility and elegance. It offers high-end comfort and convenience for travelers who want to explore the world without giving up the amenities of home. This premium motorhome stands out for its innovative design and top-quality materials. It's perfect for those who enjoy freedom and adventure but still value a touch of luxury. The VARIO series comes with customizable interiors to suit your preferences. You can choose spacious living areas, gourmet kitchens, and luxurious sleeping quarters. Every detail is tailored to create a home-like experience on the road. Modern technology is seamlessly integrated into the motorhome. You'll find features like climate control, smart lighting, and high-speed internet connectivity, ensuring a comfortable and connected journey. Its robust build and sleek design make it reliable on any road. Whether you're cruising through peaceful countryside or navigating busy city streets, the Komfortmobil VARIO guarantees a smooth ride. This motorhome is the ultimate combination of comfort and adventure, offering an unparalleled travel experience. Quanta R. The Quanta R is a unique and eye-catching vehicle, crafted by Iron Custom Motors. This custom-made automobile combines striking design with raw power to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Its body is made from lightweight aluminum, giving it a bold and futuristic look. At its core, the Quanta R is powered by a 600 horsepower Subaru engine, paired with an automatic transmission for effortless performance. The design blends futuristic and classic elements, with motorcycle-inspired optics and controls that set it apart from any other vehicle. It's not just a car, it's a work of art. The Quanta R is equipped with advanced features to enhance performance and comfort. Brembo ceramic brakes ensure precise stopping power, while Bilstein suspension delivers a smooth and controlled ride. The Boston 22-inch wheels complete its dynamic look. For entertainment, it includes an Alpine marine audio system, ensuring high-quality sound even in rugged terrains. Every detail is designed to create an exhilarating driving experience. This vehicle is a testament to Iron Custom Motors' dedication to pushing the boundaries of automotive design. The Quanta R isn't just a car, it's a statement of innovation and style. Mercedes SL Roadster, a miniature masterpiece. The Mercedes SL Roadster Jr. is a beautifully scaled-down recreation of the iconic Mercedes convertible from the 1950s. It's much more than a toy. This high-end junior car is designed to deliver a driving experience that feels just like an adult car. Powered by a 4-stroke 110cc petrol engine, it reaches a top speed of 75 km per hour, making it perfect for young, enthusiastic drivers. Its classic interior, stainless steel bumpers, and high-quality build add to its charm. Each wheel comes with vented disc brakes, and the Brembo brake calipers ensure safe stopping. The body, crafted from fiberglass and finished with a durable 2K DuPont paint, guarantees long-lasting beauty and performance. However, it's designed for drivers under 180 centimeters in height and should only be driven on private land. Starting at $9,750, this magnificent vehicle stands as one of the most luxurious junior cars on the market, offering a truly special driving experience for young motorsport fans. Arosno E-Trace. The Arosno E-Trace is an innovative electric snowbike designed for snowy and icy terrains. It combines the versatility of a bicycle with the power of an electric motor, offering an effortless way to navigate winter landscapes. Its unique track and ski system provide excellent stability and control. This makes it perfect for exploring snowy trails, mountain paths, or commuting in winter conditions. The E-Trace is powered by a reliable electric motor and a rechargeable battery. It ensures smooth, eco-friendly rides while maintaining a lightweight yet durable design. Ideal for adventure seekers, the Arosno E-Trace offers a sustainable and exciting way to enjoy winter sports and outdoor activities. Kiwigogo T1. The Kiwigogo T1 is a single-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. It's designed to revolutionize personal air mobility with its compact and innovative design. The T1 features an open cockpit and a lightweight drone-like frame. It's equipped with 8 propellers, each powered by its own electric motor, ensuring reliable performance in the air. This aircraft can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour and offers a range of approximately 20 miles on a single charge. The battery pack is designed for quick removal and replacement, making it convenient for extended use. Safety is a top priority for the T1. It includes a multi-redundant system that keeps the aircraft stable even if one or more motors fail. Advanced avionics, including GPS, sonar, and gyro stabilization, further enhance safe and smooth operation. The Kiwigogo T1 is a bold step toward the future of personal aviation, combining cutting-edge technology with practicality. Taoyuan Museum of Fine Arts, a modern cultural landmark. Welcome to the Taoyuan Museum of Fine Arts, a modern cultural landmark set in the heart of the Zhangli district in Taoyuan City, Taiwan. Established in 2018, this museum stands as a tribute to contemporary art, culture, and community. Currently under development, the Taoyuan Museum is expected to open its doors to the public in 2025. This impressive space, spanning over 29,000 square meters, has been meticulously designed by the renowned JP architects and planners in collaboration with Taoyuan. Inside, you'll find vast exhibition spaces dedicated to innovative art and cultural exhibits, state-of-the-art workshops, and unique venues for performing arts. Every corner of the museum is crafted to spark creativity and bring together art enthusiasts from around the world. The Taoyuan Museum of Fine Arts is more than just a building, it's a symbol of Taiwan's dedication to blending its rich urban heritage with an international vision for the future. The museum aims to be a dynamic space where tradition meets innovation, offering visitors a unique experience that celebrates the past while exploring the possibilities of tomorrow. As the opening date draws closer, the excitement builds. Get ready to explore a place where culture, creativity, and imagination come together in a vibrant and inspiring setting. Experience the future of art and culture at the Taoyuan Museum of Fine Arts. Nomad Kitchen LT. The Nomad Kitchen LT is a compact and versatile outdoor cooking system. It's designed for adventurers who value efficiency and convenience when preparing meals in the great outdoors. This lightweight kitchen setup features a foldable design, making it easy to transport and store. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or enjoying a picnic, it's the perfect companion for outdoor cooking. The Nomad Kitchen LT offers multiple cooking surfaces, including a grill and a stovetop. This allows you to prepare a variety of meals using different cooking methods. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand tough outdoor conditions. It's built to last, no matter where your adventures take you. For added convenience, it includes integrated storage solutions. These keep your cooking essentials organized and within reach, so you can focus on creating delicious meals. The Nomad Kitchen LT is a practical and reliable choice for anyone who loves outdoor adventures without compromising on great food. Scania AXL. The Scania AXL is an autonomous concept truck designed to operate without a traditional driver's cab. Developed by Scania, this fully self-driving vehicle is tailored for industries like mining and construction, where controlled environments are ideal for autonomous operations. The AXL integrates Scania's advanced modular system with cutting-edge technology. It uses sensors and cameras for navigation, while artificial intelligence handles decision-making. This combination ensures precise and efficient performance. With sustainability in mind, the AXL can be powered by renewable biofuel, reducing its environmental impact. This innovative concept represents a major leap forward in Scania's vision for the future of transport. It focuses on improving efficiency while promoting environmental responsibility. TechnoAlpin TR9 and TR10. The TechnoAlpin TR9 and TR10 are advanced snowmaking machines, built to create high-quality snow for ski resorts and winter sports venues. These machines combine cutting-edge technology with efficient performance to ensure reliable snow production, even in challenging weather. The TR9 features a modular design with an adjustable nozzle ring. This design optimizes snow output while maintaining energy efficiency, making it a practical choice for many resorts. The TR10 takes innovation a step further. It offers enhanced automation, giving precise control over snow density and water usage. This ensures better customization and improved efficiency in snowmaking operations. Both models are known for their durability and reliability. They produce consistent, high-quality snow, helping resorts maintain excellent slopes throughout the winter season. The TechnoAlpin TR9 and TR10 are the ultimate solutions for resorts looking to provide the best winter sports experience. Udelv Transporter. The Udelv Transporter is a groundbreaking self-driving delivery pod that's revolutionizing how goods are delivered. Imagine ordering groceries online and having a sleek, self-navigating robot arrive at your doorstep, precisely when you need it. That's the level of convenience the Udelv Transporter offers. This innovative vehicle uses advanced sensors and artificial intelligence to safely navigate roads and sidewalks. It can detect and handle unexpected obstacles, ensuring a smooth and reliable delivery experience. Designed to keep goods fresh and secure, the Udelv Transporter is setting new standards for efficiency and convenience in modern delivery services. Quanta Velomobile. The Quanta Velomobile is a modern, pedal-powered vehicle designed for efficient and eco-friendly transportation. Velomobiles are enclosed bicycles, providing protection from the weather and excellent aerodynamics. This makes them perfect for commuting or longer rides. The Quanta Velomobile stands out with its sleek design and lightweight construction. It's built with user-friendly features to make your ride as smooth as possible. One of the key highlights is its electric assist motor. This feature combines manual pedaling with electric power. Riders can easily tackle longer distances or hilly terrains without much effort. The streamlined body of the Quanta Velomobile helps reduce air resistance, boosting your speed. It's a practical alternative to traditional bikes, especially for those who want a greener and more efficient way to get around. Valo Hyperfoil Prototype. The Valo Hyperfoil is a cutting-edge prototype that combines advanced hydrofoil technology with electric propulsion. It's designed to redefine the performance of personal watercraft. With its sleek, aerodynamic design, the Hyperfoil delivers high speeds and exceptional maneuverability on the water. Its electric propulsion system provides an eco-friendly alternative to traditional engines, offering quiet operation for a more enjoyable experience. This prototype uses innovative materials and construction techniques. These ensure a lightweight yet durable design, prioritizing both efficiency and performance. The Valo Hyperfoil represents an exciting glimpse into the future of high-performance watercraft. It's a bold step toward combining sustainability with thrilling water adventures. Gordon T Max Trike. The Gordon T Max Trike is a cutting-edge three-wheeled vehicle. It's designed for enthusiasts who want the agility of a motorcycle combined with the comfort of a car. This trike stands out with its sleek, aerodynamic design. It's not just about looks, it also delivers powerful performance. The robust engine provides impressive acceleration and stability. This makes the T-Max Trike ideal for city driving and longer road trips. One of the key features of this vehicle is its unique three-wheel configuration. This design offers enhanced stability compared to traditional motorcycles, especially when cornering or traveling at high speeds. The Gordon T-Max Trike also includes advanced suspension systems. These systems ensure a smooth ride, even over various terrains. Inside, the interior is designed with comfort in mind. It features ergonomic seating, making every journey enjoyable. The Gordon T-Max Trike truly offers a thrilling and comfortable ride for those who love adventure on the road. Stbon Funicular Railway, the steepest in the world. Located in Switzerland, the Stbon Funicular Railway holds the title of the steepest railway in the world. Officially opened in December 2017, it connects the Valley Station in Schwyz to the picturesque mountain village of Stews. What makes this railway stand out is its astonishing incline of up to 110%. The track spans 1.74 kilometers, making the journey both efficient and thrilling. The railway features two modern, cylindrical cabins that can each carry up to 136 passengers. This system can transport around 1,500 people every day. The project had a total cost of about 52 million Swiss francs, which is roughly $56 million. The Stbon offers a quick and scenic 4-minute journey, allowing passengers to enjoy stunning views of the alpine landscape. This engineering masterpiece not only provides easier access to the mountain village but has also significantly boosted tourism in the area. The Stbon Funicular Railway is a true testament to Swiss innovation and the beauty of their advanced transportation systems. Massimo Electric iTango. The Massimo Electric iTango is a sleek, high-performance, three-wheel electric scooter that combines modern style with power. Priced at $2,995, it offers impressive features for city commuters and adventure seekers alike. At the heart of the iTango is a robust 1500-watt Bosch motor, capable of reaching speeds up to 30 miles per hour. With this power, it's designed to handle both urban traffic and longer rides with ease. This scooter comes equipped with a swappable 48-volt, 15-amp lithium battery, offering a range of up to 44 miles on a single charge. Charging time is around 5.5 hours, keeping downtime minimal and allowing you to get back on the road quickly.